So here we are. I thought I'd show a little bit of the Dutch Gap boat ramp and all. Got the little sign talking about the fish, the conservation area, of course. Got this set of little overlook here and the steps that go down. There's a boat landing. You launch about 3 boats at a time. And then of course up that way there's a Dutch Gap power plant. That's about it. Mighty James River out there. It'll be a nice day today, it looks like. Kind of overcast though. There's Dutch Gap boat landing. So here we are at Dutch Gap. I thought I'd get out and use the camera here a little bit this morning, test it out a little bit. I got to come up with another way to mount that GoPro handle to it because it didn't quite. I think it's metric. I was using a 1/4 20 to mount it, and it just don't work right. Anyway, thought we'd take a little hike here down to Dutch Gap. The boat landing and all, it's all kind of part of or next to Henricus Park, so we're kind of walking into Henricus Park here on these trails. So thought we'd check it out this morning. So come along. Stopped off here at a little bit of spot a little farther on up river, or down river, excuse me. I'm testing out my little camera this morning. Sun's supposed to come out, but it ain't kind of looking like it. Let's try a little zoom in here with this thing, see what it'll do. I'll zoom in on some of that stuff across the river there. Foggy out this morning. I like that zoom. And that won't even all the way. Pretty nice. So here we are, finishing up the little hike here at Dutch Gap boat landing. It was trying to kill a little time. Just walked a little bit down the river here. Kill a little time before they open up Henricus Park, because that's really what we want to go hike this morning. So we're going to head back up these steps here and wrap up this little part, and next part we'll go to Henricus Park.